Waluga iko kumika. Basi leo tidak ada beda taka. No. Ayah, ada apa no? Tip top taka tu no. Fresh, tu dia kan no. Tip top taka tu no. Sabunya, no. Tip top taka tu no. Kusa beramba pura. Tamat dah pura mana? Nenek kita bisa jalan mana? Nenek kita sudah kami ni. Dia bukan ya kami nyamona. Ada perkara yang belum masih. Tu dah gaya sudah besi mana? Aku di dinas kamu. Ada dunia aku tak tahu. Aku ada kamu. Fresh. Jadi kamu. Mana sudah ada pernah mana? Ini aku perlu mana? Orang sudah nyamona. Orang tak punya mana? Ada bawa kami mana? Orang yang lipi semana. Orang yang ada mana? Orang bawa kami mana? Kamu di sana mana? Yang bawa ini kau jangan cuci, yang bawa ini buka kaji sini.
Thank you. Thank you, Fresh Kid. Come, Fresh Kid.
Thank you very much.
You don't greet our chief guests.
Yes.
And this makes me a fresh mom. There is fresh mom. Fresh mom.
Fresh Kid Banani.
Yes, Uganda's got talent. Starts even when you're young. But let me tell you, even if you're my age, it's not too late. Hey, you think it's late? Benedict, are you here? We have this talent, by the way. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. How does that sound? Is it a logo? Anyhow, my love, we are doing very well. The kitchen is warming up and very soon we are going to eat. So let's see another round of applause for Fresh Kid. They say your talent can take you far. So we advise all of us to, develop those talents that we are sitting on. If it means running, participate in marathons and, you can get away with something. Fresh Kid is still enjoying the moment. Who knows if we'll be tapping the anointing, perhaps a future PJ. I'm prophesying into the life of Fresh Kid. But in future,
you see here, I came to know him last year when I was in the Ministry of Gender. I had a manager who was managing his shows that were established that he was being cheated because the manager was taking all the money. I gave instructions that they should open an account for him and made sure that he links up with other trainers, and we divided the proceeds into 4 categories. The first one was to do with the management itself. The second was to do for his account. Actually, I directed that they open an account where all his money will go until he's 18 years to decide what to do with the money. And the other category was money for his father, who's keeping charge of this young man. And the last one, not least, was for his mother. And I'm happy to inform you that it's being done. And last year when he came to my office when I was in gender, he found me in my seat. He said, "You are in the PS?" I said, "Yes." Then he said, "I want also to be a PS." And I told him, to be a PS, you must qualify. And how do you qualify? You must study hard. And he said, "I am going to start, Sudhir gave me vacancy, and I'm going to study hard." I told him, mix your music talent with education, because education is the foundation and for the future. He promised me that he was going to study hard. My Lord, yesterday, he came to my office with his father and with the report, and he was the first one in class. He got 98, 99, 94. And he was promoted to primary 3. And then he said, "I told you, I promised you, so how many years am I able to go to be a PS?" Ada, and he's still young. And that his money, he has already his money is going to make him to hope himself when he is 18. So thank you so much. Continue singing, but have time to rest and then go to school. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, our PS, for that good heart. We can give another round of applause. I want to show you that we are here for our dinner.